In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jotform's PDF editor effectively. Creating and editing PDFs can often feel like a daunting task, especially if you're not sure where to start. Luckily, Jotform's PDF editor is a powerful and user-friendly tool that can help make this process smoother and more efficient. Whether you're a business owner, an educator, or just need to organize information in a neat, presentable format, you'll find this guide incredibly helpful. First, let's head over to Jotform's homepage. Just type in www.jotform.com into your browser's address bar. You'll be greeted with a sleek and intuitive interface designed to make online form building and editing as easy as possible. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a login button. Click on it. If this is your first time using Jotform, you might need to create an account, but don't worry, it's a simple and straightforward process. You can sign up using your Google account or any other platform you have connected, making it quicker and safer to access your forms. After logging in, you will be directed to My Forms page. Here, all your forms are neatly organized, making it easy to find the one you want to edit. If you have a long list of forms, feel free to use the search feature to quickly locate the specific form you're interested in. Now for the fun part, editing your PDF. Locate the form you wish to edit, click on the More button situated to the right of your form. Among the options that appear, there's one that reads Open PDF Editor. Click on it to launch the editor. Once the PDF editor opens, you're ready to start customizing your document. On the left-hand side of the editor, you'll notice a menu with different options. Let's dive into Basic Elements first. Clicking on this will reveal a variety of elements you can add to your PDF, such as text, images, and even shapes. This is where you can get creative and make your document truly unique. Simply drag and drop any element you wish to add onto your PDF. Similarly, if you click on Form Fields, you'll see options tailored to interactive form elements like text fields, checkboxes, and drop-down menus. These are particularly useful if you're creating forms that require responses or data entry from others. Again, it's as easy as dragging and dropping the field you want to include in your document. As you explore and experiment with these features, remember that the aim is to make your information clear and accessible. Pay attention to the layout and ensure that your document is not only visually appealing, but also practical. For instance, if you're adding form fields, make sure they're adequately spaced and logically ordered to facilitate a smooth flow of information. Additionally, consider the overall design. Jotform's PDF editor allows you to customize the look and feel of your document to match your brand or personal style. Look for the color palette to adjust colors, and don't forget to experiment with different fonts and sizes for any text elements you've added. One of the beauties of Jotform's PDF editor is its versatility. It doesn't matter whether you're working on a registration form, a survey, or even compiling a report, the editor has the tools and features to accommodate a wide range of needs. Finally, once you're happy with your newly edited PDF, it's crucial to save your changes. Jotform automatically saves your work as you go, but it's always a good idea to double check. Look for the Save button just to be sure your modifications are securely stored. Remember, learning any new software takes a bit of practice, so don't be discouraged if it takes a couple of tries to get everything just right. The more you use Jotform's PDF editor, the more intuitive it becomes. Plus, with this guide, you're well on your way to mastering the art of PDF creation and editing. To sum up, Jotform's PDF editor is an incredible tool that simplifies the process of creating and editing PDFs. By following the steps we've covered today, you'll find that what might have once seemed complicated is now easily within your grasp. Whether for business, education, or personal projects, this tool is designed to make your life easier and your documents more professional. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Dive in, explore, and see just how much you can achieve with Jotform's PDF editor. Happy editing!